Maria Paderna. And of course, kasama pa rin po natin ang mga taga-National Commission on Muslim Filipinos under Bureau of Muslim Economic Affairs. And of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang kainan at luto. Good morning, boss. Kung kanina natikman at pinakita natin sa inyong step-by-step kung paano po gawin ang chicken linigil. Ngayon naman, of course, may makakasama tayong bago na mag-share ng kanyang masarap na putahe. Let us all welcome Ms. Yanisha Kali, Development Management Officer 2 of Small Business and Trade Development from National Commission on Muslim Filipinos under Bureau of Muslim Economic Affairs. And we also have Secretary of Director Gyapal, Ms. Eya, and of course, si Chef Tats nandito pa rin. Hello, good morning.
Tagapag-alalay. Okay.
So ano po bang lulutuin natin today?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ang iluluto ko ay yung tuna with papar. Bakas with papar. Ang ibig sabihin ng bakas ay smoked tuna.
Smoked tuna. Uy, masarap
Yes,
yun.
and then the papar is a grilled grated coconut.
Alright, siguro to start off, na natin yung mga ingredients sa ating mga boss. Ano po yung mga una nating basic ingredients?
Basic ingredients is meron siyang smoked tuna, then grated coconut.
Smoked tuna.
Yes.
Grated coconuts.
Okay, ano pa?
And then ito palapa, it's a grind
Coconut.
no, it's a grind ginger,
Ginger.
chili and shallots.
Okay.
Shallots, they call
ano
it
pong first step na
sakurab.
gagawin natin?
Ang first step ay ito, haluin ang tuna with the grated coconut, tapos yung laurel leaves, and then may turmeric powder,
So,
tapos itong
Pepper.
yes.
yeah. Ilalagyan natin.
So para malinaw sa viewers natin, ulitin natin, pagsasama-samahin po natin ang smoked salmon, ang grated coconut, we also have turmeric, ano pong tawag?
Laurel.
Dahon ng laurel, and of course, ang pepper at ang
Itong palapa.
Palapa.
palapa. Ito po yung ginger.
Ginger.
Okay.
So paghaluin niya,
Paghahalu-haluin lang po yan.
Okay, halo na ni Ma'am Ria. Yan. Tapos ilalagay na siguro, pwede na siguro ilagay dito diretso.
yes, and then ilagay
Okay.
itong
Okay, madam. Pwede mo na ilagay. No?
coconut
So
milk.
siguro ilagay natin dahan-dahan. So ito yung chunky of smoked fish. Along with the smoked fish is the grated coconut. Okay. And then wag nating kalimutan yung sinasabi niyang papar. It's a made up of shallots and turmeric and some spicy chili, of course.
So chef, napansin ko, mahilig kayo sa mga gata, no?
Yes.
Coconut.
Okay.
So ayan.
So after this, Ma'am Lisa.
And then you put
Yeah, ilalagay na ni Ma'am Ria. Okay. Si Ma'am Ria ba marunong ka na rin magluto? Oh,
Chef,
ngayon ka lang? Talaga?
Gaano karami yung measurement ng
Okay. So, ganyan lang siya, no?
gaano karami yung measurement nito? So bahala na rin sila.
Actually, depende sa dami. Dapat hindi siya mag-submerge, no? Okay. So, isisimmer na. And then, supposed to be, meron tayong turmeric eh.
No, meron na
Meron
yan.
na siyang
Meron na
kasama,
siyang turmeric.
turmeric.
So, didilaw na yan mamaya, katulad
And
ng
then
finished
you-
product natin kanina.
You put this one halal.
Okay.
That is your halal seasoning.
Halal seasoning.
So
para
mamaya
malasang
chef,
malasa.
i-discuss natin sa kanila kung paano sila makaka-avail ng mga halal products ninyo.
Yes.
Yun na small amount of
Palagyan natin ng
salt.
asin. Sige
Small
ma'am, para
amount lang.
sabi mo hindi ka pa marunong magluto para matuto ka magluto.
Tama.
Yan. Sige, medyo konting shake natin
So,
para
pagka kumulo ito,
Mhm.
after mga siguro 3 minutes.
3 minutes pa.
Oo,
Okay.
and then you can put the bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Wow.
Yan. Para gumanda yung kulay at saka lumasa rin. Yun ang purpose nito. Ayan. So, meron pa? Meron tayong leeks.
Yeah.
Leeks. Ayan. So, para lumasa to, para mag-gets natin yung tamang lasa, dapat to kulong-kulo.
So dapat minutes kaya yan, Chef?
Mga, makukuha natin to sa ganitong dami na is mga 5 minutes. Okay. na to
Alam mo,
siya.
usually, ang counterpart ng mga dahon ng laurel, adobo.
Yes.
Ang nilalagyan
Yeah.
natin, no?
Yeah.
Pag Filipino dish.
Yes. Lalo na ngayong mga panahon na to, uso ngayon ng ubo. Gandang combination ng ano yan. Putahe natin ngayong umaga. Okay, may anghang.
Actually, yan ang pinakasimpleng Maranao dish.
Maranao dish.
Maranaw this.
Kung kanina Maguindanao.
Maguindanao.
Ito naman Maranao dish.
Okay.
So, ang dami nating natututunan, no? So, lahat din po yan halal certified products, of
Sa
course.
halal, naturally halal because any product na katulad halimbawa yung manok na tamang kinatay at saka yung isda, yung mga seafoods, mga halal yan except kung ito ay nahaluan ng hindi acceptable na ingredients.
Alright, so tapos na natin yung dish. Ganong kabilis.
Nandun yung finished product.
Where
Actually,
is
meron
our
tayong
finished
finished
product?
product, no? Ito yon.
And of course, we would like to invite
Gusto ko lang batiin yung aking pinakamahal na Director Alim Giapal with my
ayan na
and
sila.
also our OIC,
Ayan. Good
Commissioner
morning.
Limuna,
Commissioner Dimuna,
and of
Welcome.
course,
si Director Alim.
I would like to congratulate our new secretary by Yasmin
Busran.
Pandaw Busran Lao.
Yeah,
Alright,
assalamualaikum.
so welcome to Good Morning Boss. Ngayon naman syempre, ito na po yung favorite part nating lahat, food tasting. So papatikimin natin silang lahat.
Yan.
Dahil ito po ang Maranao dish na talagang sikat at napakasarap.
Siguro titikim muna
food
si
taste.
Commissioner Dimuna from Davao City. Davao City siya, no? Si Davao.
Ito po ay smoked salmon, no? And then sinama sa coconut.
Yes.
Turmeric
yes.
powder.
So masarap siya sa tawag natin dito is kuning. Yellow rice.
Yellow
no?
rice.
Yellow rice, gata, tapos turmeric, may konting asin para lumasa.
Pwede kaya ata to kasi
Yan.
you like fish, right?
Yes.
Meron pa
I like
tayong mga
chicken
pagkain din
breast.
dala rito na ibang...
This is very perfect for those people na nagda-diet.
Yeah, thank you. Yan.
Okay, tikiman time. Si Jules naiinggit. Si Kuya
Tikman mo tong
Richard.
rice din, ma'am.
Mas masarap daw siya with rice.
Yeah.
Ito po yung tinatawag na yellow rice.
okay.
Next time ituro natin sa kanila kung paano. Siguro, Chef, at this point, would you
Yes.
like to siguro discuss dun sa mga boss natin on how can they avail halal products?
Yeah.
Patang.
Chef?
Chef, saan daw
Yes,
sila
yeah.
makaka-avail ng mga
Halal
mga
products.
Actually, under the one of the promoter of the halal certifying products sa Pilipinas is my group, yung Halal Development Institute of the Philippines, one of the leading certifying body in the Philippines na recognized by the Jabatan Kimajuan Malaysia, including Majelis Ugama of Indonesia and IFANCA of the US. Halal Development Institute of the Philippines is one of the recognized certifying body by the National Commission on Filipinos since it was formerly office now elevated to National Commission on Filipino Muslims. Under the suportado tayo ng mga commissioners natin at ng mga directors natin, lalo na yung directors ng Bureau of Livelihood, Economic Affairs.
Kasama rin si Director Dato Ramos.
Of course, kasama dyan si Director Timapuno Dato Ramos. At saka of course, yung Executive Director natin dyan, si Dato Jan Lidasan. Siya yung nangunguna dyan, na suportado niya itong programa na to.
Alright, alam mo, this is something new na talagang napanglasa na kakaiba na talagang lasang-lasa mo yung alat na naghahalo at saka maanghang.
Yes.
So,
yan.
sobrang sarap. Actually, first time ko makatikim. So, maraming salamat. Siguro, do you have any message or viewers or may mga events kayo?
Si Com with our upcoming event.
Siyempre, wag natin kalimutan yung 48th National Quran Reading Competition na gaganapin sa UP Diliman on May 3, 2014. Maraming salamat po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Maraming salamat ulit sa pag-ibita sa amin, and I would like to thank my division chief, si Chief Dida, si Miss Ria, and Miss Jani for contributing their efforts. Of course, with Chief Tato for this halal food. Dayan, maraming salamat and yeah, the food is really
No,
great.
thank you so much.
Ah,
Sobrang
Assalamualaikum.
sarap po ng pagkain. Sana sundan niyo po yung step by step dahil sobrang dali at napakasarap. Perfect na perfect lalo na ngayong Labor Day holiday. Nasa bahay lang
Okay.
tayo, makibond po tayo sa ating mga pamilya through this napakasarap na mga pagkain. Alright? Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Sila po
Maraming
lahat
salamat
ay
po.
taga National Commission on Muslim Filipinos under Bureau of Muslim Economic Affairs. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Alright, syempre, bukod po sa mga kainan dito sa Good Morning Boss at talagang busog na ako, marami tayong mga magagandang balita at impormasyon na pag-uusapan sa pagbabalik ng Good Morning Boss.